Following the trade that sent Kevin Durant to the Houston Rockets, Devin Booker is setting his sights on a stronger 2025-26 NBA season. As part of that focus, he's continuing to evolve his signature sneaker line with Nike. While fans anticipate the next chapter of his line, Nike and Booker have unveiled a fresh take on the original Book one. This latest iteration comes dressed in a hemp, sail, velvet brown, hemp color palette, featuring a bold desert camouflage pattern across the upper. The earthy tones are a fitting tribute to Arizona's desert landscapes, which Booker proudly represents. The Cushlon midsole and outsole skip the camo print but retain a sandy finish to complement the overall aesthetic. The Desert Camo Book 1 is scheduled to release on Saturday, July 11th, via Nike.com. Stay tuned for official look and further release updates.